Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to easily check if your iPhone is original or fake. There are two simple methods you can use and I'll walk you through both step by step. First, let's check the model number. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then navigate to General. Then tap on About. From here you'll see all the important details about your device, and just look for the model number. Now pay close attention to the first letter of the model number. If it starts with M, it means your iPhone is a brand new device purchased directly from Apple, either online or from an Apple retail store. If it starts with F, this indicates that the iPhone is a refurbished device, meaning it was previously owned, repaired, and then resold by Apple or an authorized provider. If it starts with N, it means your iPhone was issued as a replacement device, usually after a service request for a faulty product. The second method is by checking the serial number. While still in the About section in Settings, look for the serial number and copy it. Now go back to your home screen. Open the Safari browser and head over to checkcoverage.apple.com. On the website, paste your copied serial number into the search box. And tap on Submit to proceed. If your iPhone is original, you'll see the official purchase date and coverage details listed there. If the website says the serial number is invalid or cannot be found, that's a big warning sign that your iPhone could be fake or not recognized by Apple. And that's it. By checking both the model number and verifying the serial number on Apple's official site, you can easily find out whether your iPhone is genuine or not. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.